Hello beauty fella, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a makeup tutorial video, which is a gold red makeup look. So if you guys wondering how to achieve this kind of look, don't go anywhere, sit tight and continue watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So aku udah pakai primer and now I'm going to use foundation, and I'm using the Revlon Colorstay foundation shade 220 natural beige. I'm gonna take a pump and then just put it on. And I'm going to blend the foundation with Masami Shouko beauty blender. Foundation, and I'm going to do my eye makeup, and after that I'm going to put my concealer. So first I'm gonna do my eyebrow, and I'm using this Idooa. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, but I'm using this and I really like it, and it's almost done. Can you see that? So I'm just gonna draw my eyebrow. And now I'm going to fill it in with this side. This is like the powder to fill it my brows with. I'm going to put on my eyeshadow, and I'm using this Colourpop X My Little Pony palette. So first I'm gonna take this color as the transition colors and apply it all over my lids. This dark shade to just add a little bit darkness in the outer corner of my lids. I'm just gonna take a tiny amount of that dark brown eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna apply it to the outer corner of my lids. So now I'm gonna take this gold again and apply it here. And now I'm gonna draw my eyeliner, and I'm using this Catrice liquid liner. done. And now I'm gonna put on my concealer. I'm going to use this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. And now I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender. I'm going to contour my face, but since my powder contour is done and I lost my contour stick, so I'm just gonna use brown eyeshadow to contour my face. Using this Juvia's the Saharan blush volume 2 palette for my bronzer and also my blush. I'm going to take this color as my bronzer. You might want to be careful with Juvia's pigmentation because they are really pigmented, so just be careful with them. I'm going to mix this color and this color here for my blush. Okay, so before I apply my highlighter, I'm gonna put on mascara and maybe falsies too. So aku pakai mascara from Benefit. All done, and now I'm just gonna put highlighter, and for the highlighter I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Skin Frost Crystal Ball highlighter. Yes, it is broken into 2 pieces, but as long as I still can use it, why not, because this is really great. Done. What's left is the lip, and I think I'm just gonna put this ultra glossy lips from the Colourpop X My Little Pony collection, and the shade is Flutter Valley. And I'm just gonna add a little of Trim Castle to give it a bright color. I'm done, and this is the final look. All for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy and like it. Don't forget to like and also subscribe and share to everyone you know, every social media you have, to everyone, to your relatives, to your friends, everyone, like literally everyone. If you guys recreate this makeup look, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram so that I can see your work too. So I guess that's all. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I guess I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.